Here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Looks like it's a mixed batch. Like there could be a little yawa nut or koroit. Some other material here that lends itself to being koroit as well. Rules in millimetres, material's wetted, and like that piece there, the water it's been wetted and the water is reflecting the lights. Okay, a lot of these are just pieces, nice patterns, not much, no opal in it. It's got a little kernel, that was that one that I was showing you earlier, little kernel of opal, again not a lot of colour. A piece of koroit material, veins of blue in it there. Again another piece of koroit. It's got a little eye of colour in it over here. And goes right through, so that'll be interesting to see how that turns out. Other pieces just chips, a lot of colour, of a little opal kernel. The price on this material reflects the quality, I think. So it's just nice patterns. People sometimes just get the stone like this to use it as backing for doublets and triplets. A little fine line of colour there. Just interesting patterns. Anyway, it's not very expensive. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.